What is going on, everybody? This is Big Russ for Project Concept, and the mail ran. So, my last video, I was talking about this package, waiting on it to show up. It was supposed to be delivered before the storm. Yep, it's only a week late. Whatever, you know. I can't be mad at the post office for not delivering stuff in the face of a natural disaster. So I'd rather people be safe and wait a week to get my toys. So without further ado, we're going to dive into this box. I'm going to show you what the guitar could have looked like and how it's going to look with the new gear. Okay, so the only thing I've done to this box is literally cut the tape because it's taped up very well. Guitar Fetish. Holy crap. Look at how well they packaged this. And this is supposed to be everything I ordered. And it looks like it. So right here, this is my new wiring harness. And if you notice, solderless. Okay, I've got my mounting hardware, I've got my output jack, volume and tone knob, my selector switch, which should just be a three-way. Yep. Okay. That all replaces this and goes in that hole. Okay. So this is a $17 upgrade, guys. Alright. These I'm so excited to see. Okay. You have no clue. Yep. Super easy. Oh, man. A Guitar Fetish A1 on the packaging. I mean, really, this is phenomenal. Okay, I believe this is my neck pickup. Alright, and if I wanted to solder it in, it comes with a lead, but all I have to do to install this is okay. God, those are gorgeous. I believe that is just the neck. I've got mounting hardware as well. It's a beautiful piece. And then this should be the bridge pickup. Again, it's going to be a very beautiful piece, guys. I promise you. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Damn, that's got some heft to it. It actually feels heavier than that whole setup. Okay, got my nice 3-layer black, white, black pick guard. So I think it's going to look really good. And then the piece de la resistance. I apologize for that, but I had to unwrap it. This is a roller bridge Okay. If you can see, right in here, we have little rollers. And a flat top, quasi Bigsby style tremolo. Now, if y'all bear with me, I'm going to try to throw everything together real quick so you can kind of see how it's going to look. Okay, so everything's kind of loosely in place. This is a spare spring. Let's save that. So, with the blue, this black really looks good. I mean, you can see it just kind of flows very nicely. The pickups, they're just set in, they're not mounted yet. I think they look amazing. Of course, I've got to disassemble this to put this in, so that can wait. But this right here, I just absolutely love the way it looks. And I can't wait to put it to use. So, being mildly unemployed from the storm, and I say mildly unemployed because my shop has no power right now where I work, I've been able to put out 3 videos this week, which is more than I've done almost all year. And I'm sorry, guys. I'm really excited to finish this project up. Kind of nervous that I've got to drill into my pick guard. This beautiful black and white pick guard, just so I can mount the humbucker, or not the humbucker, but the pickup. But if anybody's curious, these are foil, yeah, foil pickups. I'm not gonna take them apart. It's just too much of a headache. They're designed and built by Guitar Fetish after the old Japanese student guitars. There's multiple different styles, different sizes. These, I just happen to love the way they look. I mean, it looks like something you would find on a hot rod, on a lowrider, you know? And this was the big worry for me. I mean, really, let's be honest. That was the big worry. That was the big money piece at 75 bucks. This came with it for 75. I could have got them both a little cheaper if I just bought one or the other, but I bought them both. Having the roller bridge makes a lot more sense. Then this is way more tunable than this. So that was another reason behind it. So that being said, guys, this is just a quick unboxing. I'm gonna get to work putting this together because I can't wait to hear how it sounds. I've been Big Russ. Y'all have been awesome. Please like, subscribe, and share. Help me grow. If you want to see another one of these, let me know. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.